Hi, this is Venkatnarayana from Sonia Technologies. Today I am going to discuss pattern with numbers in Java like below. In first row we need to display 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and in second row 2, 3, 4, 5, and in third row 3, 4, 5, fourth row 4, 5, and fifth row 5. This is continuation to previous video. Please go through previous video before going to this video. We discuss this logic in IntelliJ, launch IntelliJ and create Java application. First step is we need to read input from command prompt system.out.print. Please provide number of rows. Create instance for scanner class, scanner sc equal to new scanner and pass system.in. Invoke nextInt method sc.nextInt and assign to integer variable int number of rows. If you want to display output like this, then we need to use two for loops. One for loop to get rows, second for loop to get columns and values. For int row equal to 1, row less than or equal to number of rows, row plus plus. For int column equal to row, column less than or equal to number of rows, column plus plus. System.out.print column plus white space system.out.println. Execute this program, go to run, click on run main. Please provide number of rows 5, enter. Here we are getting output as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 2, 3, 4, 5, 3, 4, 5, 4, 5, 5. We will execute this program over debugging to understand flow of execution. Put breakpoint here, go to run, click on debug main or shift F9, later click step into or F7. Click on debug main, click on console, click F7. Please provide number of rows 5, enter. Here number of rows is equal to 5. In for loop row is equal to 1, 1 less than or equal to 5, true. It will go to inner loop. Here column is equal to row, that means column is equal to 1, 1 less than or equal to 5, true. Print column value 1, here 1 printed. This for loop will execute 5 times. Column incremented 1, that means 2, 2 less than or equal to 5, true. Print 2, then column incremented 1, then 3, 3 less than or equal to 5, true. Print 3, then print 4, print 5, then column is equal to 6, 6 less than or equal to 5, false. It exits from inner loop. Cursor goes to next line. Row incremented 1, that means row is equal to 2, 2 less than or equal to 5, true. This for loop will execute 4 times. Here row assigned to column, here row is equal to 2 and assigned to column. It will print values from 2 to 5. Column is equal to 2, 2 less than or equal to 5, true. Print 2, then column incremented 1, 3 less than or equal to 5, true. Print 3, print 4, print 5. It will continue. Here row is equal to 5, row will increment by 1, that means row is equal to 6, 6 less than or equal to 5, false. It exits from for loop. And here we have output like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 2, 3, 4, 5, 3, 4, 5, 4, 5, 5. That's it for today. If you like this video, please share with your friends and subscribe to my YouTube channel for future videos. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.